Big news, let's reveal the secret. Jamaican black castor oil actually fixed my bald patch. I struggled with combing my hair in all kind of weird styles so as to cover that bald patch. So one day I remembered when a little girl my grandmother used to use the black castor oil. I decided to put the castor oil to the test since it's known for its benefits in hair growth and to restore thinning or bald patches. Here's how it worked for me. Discovering the bald patch resulted from various factors like stress, tight hairstyles, or even a scalp condition. Initially, it might have been distressing as I tried different products without much success. Starting the treatment, so I started by applying the oil directly to the bald patch 2 to 3 times a week. To enhance the absorption, I massaged it gently into the scalp for a few minutes to increase blood circulation. Restoring hair growth takes time, but I stayed consistent, applying the oil regularly for several weeks, sometimes leaving it on overnight or for a few hours before washing it out with a mild shampoo. After about 4 to 6 weeks, I started noticing small changes, such as fine hairs appearing in the bald patch. Over time, with continued use, these hairs thickened and the bald spot began to fill in. To be honest, not just the bald patch, but I noticed improvements in the overall health of my hair. My hair felt softer, more moisturized, and stronger, with less breakage. Finally now, after a few months, the bald has completely filled in, leaving no trace of the hair loss. I can recommend Jamaican black castor oil to become a staple in your hair care routine to maintain great results and promote overall scalp health. Research have shown that Jamaican black castor oil rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles, and promoting growth. Its moisturizing properties locks in moisture, keeping the scalp hydrated, which is essential for healthy hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties which help soothe scalp irritations and create a healthy environment for my hair to grow. This was my experience. The Jamaican black castor oil was good news to my hair and scalp. It saved all the inquisitive people in the office that used to stare on my bald patch when I am talking to them instead of looking at my face. I now have the key to not just restoring my bald patch but also a healthy head of hair. Just a little brata. I recently just added a sprig of rosemary to sit in the bottle for my hair care journey. The news is out. Try it and let me know how it works for you.